Hi to all, welcome to my third class on squares and square root. Today I am going to discuss an easy way to find the square of a number. You know a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. That is, square of two terms is equal to square of the first term plus the product of these two terms, that is a and b into 2. That is double of the product of the two terms plus square of the last term, that is b square. Suppose we want to find out the square of 23. That you can write it as 20 plus 3 the whole square. That we can expand as, which is equal to 20 square plus 2 into 20 into 3 plus 3 square. That is 20 square, you can write it as 400 plus 2 into 20 into 3, you can write it as 2 into 20 40, 40 into 3 you can write it as plus 120 plus 3 square, you can write it as plus 9. Now add it, you get, which is equal to 529. Now let us check, without writing all these steps, how can you find out the square of 23? Without writing all these steps, let us find out the square of 23. First, consider the unit place digit. It is 3. Now write the square of the number 3. Yes, 3 square is equal to 9. So 9 will be the unit place digit in the square of 23. Multiply 2 and 3. That is 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Now find out the double of 6. That is 6 into 2, 12. Now write 2 in the tens place and 1 take it as a balance. Yes, that is 2 you can take it in the tens place and 1 you take it as balance. Now you find out the square of the 2. You know 2 square is equal to 4. Now 4 and this one balance one, add it. You get 529 as answer. Now let us check with another number. Let us find out 78 square. First here unit place is 8. So first find out 8 square. 8 square you know that it is 64. So you can write 4 in the unit place and 6 you can take it as balance. Now multiply 7 and 8. That is 7 into 8. You will get 7 8s are 56. Now find out the double of 56 or 56 into 2. That you will get it as 56 into 2 into 56, you will get it as 112. So you have to add this balance 6 to 112 to get the tens place digit of the square of 78. That is 112 plus balance 6, it is 180. So you can write 8 in the tens place and you can write 11 as balance, that is 180. Now you have to find out 7 square. You know 7 square is equal to 49. Now add 11 to 49, we get 49 plus 11 is equal to 60. So 6084 will be the square of 78. Now can you find out 38 square without writing any steps? First write 8 square 64. So write 4 balance 6. Now 3 into 8. 3 into 8 is 24. 24 into 2. 24 into 2 is 48. 48 plus balance 6. It is 54. So write 4 4 in tens place and 5 as balance. Now you know 3 square. 3 square is equal to 9. 9 plus balance 5, 14. So the answer is 1444. Without writing step also you can do if you practice well. There is a very easy method to find out the square of a number ending with 5. You know 5 square is equal to 25 and 15 square you can write it as 225 and 25 square you can write it as 625 and 35 square you can write it as 1225. Now you can see square, all the squares are ending with 25. Now look at the tens place digit here and the remaining number except 25 in the square. Here if it is 1 then it is 2. Here if it is 2, here 6. If it is 3, here it is 12. How do you get this? Here what is 1 into the next number 2? 1 into 2 you can write it as 2. Here 2, the next number is 3. So 2 into 3 you can write it as 6s. That is the 6 here. Next 3, the next number is 4. So 3 into 4 it is 12. That is here. So you have to just multiply the next number and add 25 to it. You will get the square of the numbers ending with 5. If it is so, what is 75 square? You just multiply 7 and 8. You get 7 8s are 56. Then add 25 to it. You get 5625. In this way you can find out the square of a number ending with 5. That is all for today's class. Have a nice day.